Did you know that adult coloring books aren't just pretty pages? They're powerful stress relief.
Welcome back to another episode of the Mindful Side Hustle podcast. I'm Roxy G, and we advocate for starting side hustles as a form of stress relief, not added pressure.
When you color, your brain slows down, your breathing steadies, your focus shifts away from anxiety and back into the present moment. It's one of the easiest ways to relax without needing hours of free time or expensive tools. Unlike meditation, which can feel hard when you're anxious, or scrolling, which actually overstimulates you, coloring keeps your brain lightly engaged. That engagement gives your nervous system something safe and predictable to focus on, which tells your body you're not in danger right now. That's why coloring works especially well for people who overthink,
Mentally exhausted, struggle to relax on command, your hands stay busy, your mind softens, and stress releases without effort.
Now, here's the part most people don't realize. Creating coloring books can be just as calming and profitable. Designing coloring pages lets you turn creativity into a low-pressure side hustle. No inventory, no shipping, just digital products that can sell again and again. You can create at your own pace, use simple tools, and build something that helps other people unwind while you earn. Creating coloring pages is as simple as we go to Midjourney or ChatGPT or any AI tools that you like. Instead of drawing, we use Word. You just type in a prompt like mandala-style butterfly, clean line art, black and white, and watch the magic happen. Next, you head over to Canva. This is where we assemble our pages, add borders, and make sure everything is perfectly sized for printing. You can upload this to KDP or offer it on your own website. When you create these books, you're not just selling paper, you're selling a moment of peace for someone else. You're giving them a way to de-stress. Just like this side hustle is helping you build a softer, more independent life. I hope today's podcast sparks some mindful side hustle ideas for you. And if you want more inspiration and step-by-step guidance, come join us in the Quiet Quitters Plan B or check out our tutorials on our YouTube channel. Take a deep breath. You've got this. Before I go, I'm leaving you with a special track from the Quiet Quitters Plan B Sound Lounge. Let these sounds guide you toward the relaxing peace and the soft life you deserve. I'm Roxy G, your digital bestie. Bye for now.
Becoming everything I once prayed for. My voice is power, my dreams are real. Every step I take is divine timing. I don't chase, I attract. This is my moment. I trust the journey, I trust my timing. I am walking into rooms that once felt too big. I'm a lion, not rushed. I'm guided, not lost. I'm worthy of everything good flowing to me. This is my moment, I rise, This is my moment, I rise, I'm expanding, I'm glowing, I'm unstoppable. I'm walking in peace, rooted in purpose, dripping in favor. This is my moment, I rise, 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 I know who I was, I love who I am. I trust who I'm becoming. Every version of me has led me here. This moment is mine. This is my moment.